Renee's Breaks here.
Hey!
It's Topher in real life. That's his beautiful hand. So we found Topps Chrome 2017 update Mega Box. Okay, we opened one off camera, and this one of one printing plate.
Flip it around, Renee.
Oh man,
It's a cyan printing plate.
Magnera
One of one.
Sierra. The glare, I know. I'm sorry. It's pretty cool. And then
Sierra. Cyan printing plate?
yeah, I was reading his name.
Oh,
Yeah, it's
name.
cool. We're on the same page now. And
The chances
then,
of pulling a printing plate are 1 out of every 2,100.
I think this is more important.
Yes, look at that.
Congratulations. Base autograph, gold parallel of Aaron Judge. All rise. Okay. Beautiful. So hopefully we can get something good.
Other side of this, right?
No. Look at this fancy knife.
Again, look at that. It's a gold parallel. It's numbered to 50.
Okay, stop moving her.
No
Yeah.
comparables on eBay or anything.
We're very excited about it. All right. I'm very excited. I've never opened one of these in a break. Do you want to do it, Topher? Don't take it off the camera.
There you go.
Oh, yeah. Look at these beautiful packs.
There
It's
you
all
go.
happening. How's the glare? It's probably pretty bad.
Wait.
All right. Here we are. Here we are. Jesse Winker.
Nothing.
Jeff Hoffman.
Nothing.
Daniel Robertson. And Sam Travis.
Nothing.
Next. I wish there were more cards in each pack, though. I mean, but these are some of my favorite cards. I love the chrome. So nice. Chris Sale.
Mm-hmm.
Craig Kimbrell. Mike Trout.
It's a reprint.
Reprint. We don't
No
care.
one wants those.
Yandy Diaz. You guys have to let me know what you think about Topher being in my videos. That's my boyfriend.
Cody Bellinger.
Joey Votto. Luis Severino. Christian Arroyo. And the beautiful and
Cody
lovely
Bellinger.
Cody Bellinger. We like him a lot.
Yeah.
He's pretty.
So it was a photo variation.
Yeah. We got a photo variation. It was upside down of Cody Bellinger, the last one. Got Justin Upton. Eddie Murphy. Just kidding. Eddie Murray. Dylan Betances. And Nolan Arenado. Do you want to open one, Trevor?
No.
Okay.
I just want to watch.
He just wants to watch in real life. Derek Fisher. All right. We got Orlando Arcia. Jacob Brugman. He looks like, I can't think of his name, that stupid actor guy. Corey Seager and Derek Fisher.
Okay, I'll open one.
Okay. He's a little OCD about trash and things, so. Like anytime there's one trash thing, oh my god, he has to throw it away immediately. There's nothing in there.
Yes.
Stop peeking. Just do it.
Oh, it's just a reprint thing.
His
I
eyes aren't very good either.
think. Tom Seaver reprint. World Series rookie right there. I like him too. Okay. One
Okay.
pack left. That's
No more
it.
for you, Trevor. I don't like the way you open them.
That was not.
That wasn't good.
No.
You were nervous because of all the people, all my fans.
Redemption.
But seriously, you guys, subscribe to my other YouTube channel, Renee
Turn it
Sings
sideways.
21.
Turn it sideways.
I'm getting there. There's nothing. There's nothing. Renee Sings
This was
21.
not the box to open. Sorry, guys.
Okay, we got some Bradley Zimmer. Yeah, this is a stupid box. Yon Moncada, Salvador Perez, and Steven Strasburg.
Bye.
Bye, guys.